today's video, we're sharing some recent footage of our Mini V12 Oro Shaker table that showcases the updates since the last video made of the table. The Mini V12 Oro Shaker table will be a totally go-anywhere piece of equipment that can be assembled quickly, ready to go to work. The updated control board with USB outlets allows the user to charge devices such as mobile phones and even metal detector batteries while the table is working. As you can see from the yellow in the ports, the table works extremely well. Thanks goes out to our esteemed field tester and design consultant for the footage. So the journey continues for the GHO's crew. We don't want to reinvent the wheel, just make it roll better, and thanks for watching.